If you're an artist with a YouTube channel, well, welcome, because this is my first video in a series of things you can do to generate income without being monetized by YouTube ads. Now, things have changed in recent years. If you want to make money with your art, you have to do more than just do a painting and hope somebody buys it. So this is a small idea, but small ideas could become big. It's called Buy Me a Coffee. So if you go to buymeacoffee.com and sign up right now, there's no upfront costs. And by the way, I look for things with no upfront costs. I don't like recurring subscriptions to anything if I can avoid it. So buymeacoffee.com. Put a link in every one of your YouTube videos from now on, and supporters can click on the link and buy you a coffee if they like your content. Now, if you don't drink coffee, don't worry, because the site allows you to change it to buy me a beer or buy me a pizza or whatever you like. Now, there's way more to buymeacoffee.com than just buying you a coffee. There's other features. For example, there is a shop component. You can sell a physical good. So, for example, if I demonstrate this painting, which I did in a previous video, I can put it up for sale. Right there is the actual painting. You can also upload digital files. If you write an ebook on something, you can sell that right in the same shop component. There are also tickets for events. So if you're going to have an online class, people can buy a ticket to an event and they will get a redirect URL that you have provided that will send them to the class that you're getting ready to have. There's also memberships. It's kind of like Patreon. People can pay to become monthly members, and you can provide exclusive content, whatever you want to do, have conversations back and forth with your members. And last but not least, there is also the ability to do a one-on-one Zoom call. So if you do any personalized coaching, you can do the Zoom call and people can click on it and book a call with you. Now, you don't have to do any of these things. You can just do the buy me a coffee link. But this might get you thinking. If you hadn't thought about these types of things before, there's plenty of potential out there, and it's amazing what's out there these days. It's kind of hard to wrap your mind around all these options. But if you check out the site, it's really easy to use. It's a very nice, clean interface. I love it. But it's a good way to think outside the YouTube ad box. You don't have to be monetized by YouTube to start making money with your YouTube channel. So click on the link in my description, check out Buy Me a Coffee, and I hope you like it.